Well, here we are at Invergowrie. We're on the footbridge. We'll do a bit of train spotting today, hopefully. A few trains are cancelled, myself and Adam. Let me see I'm just walking away in the distance quite happily. We're also going to Lookers. Hopefully the trains are running to Lookers though. We're also going to Broughty Ferry as well. I can see us taking the bus to Lookers, to be honest. 1:15 to Glasgow. According to that sign over there, is cancelled. That one there says 1:45 to Dundee's cancelled due to the heavy rain. Means we did have a lot of heavy rain at the weekend. To be honest, I can't see us getting too much today, but we can still get some buses. That's not the main thing to me. The main thing is obviously I'm spending time with a friend. But the main thing is we're going to enjoy ourselves. Whether we get to see some trains or not, only time will tell.